channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic, the Asian Development Bank or ADB. You might be wondering ano nga ba ang ADB at paano ito makakatulong sa ating bansa. Well, let's find out.
Many countries in Asia are struggling. We need an institution that will help them develop.
You're right. Let's create a bank that will help them through loans and grants.
And in 1966, the Asian Development Bank was established with the goal of helping Asian countries, and guess what? Their headquarters is right in Ortigas, Pasig City.
Sana naman magkaroon tayo ng mas magandang paaralan para sa atin. Hirap na ako dito.
Ito mismo ang dahilan kung bakit nabuo ang ADB para bigyan ng tulong ng mga bansang tulad ng Pilipinas, lalo na sa edukasyon, infrastructure at economic development.
Sa tulong ng ADB, maraming bansa ang nabigyan ng bagong eskwelahan, kalsada at ospital.
ADB doesn't just help Asia, it also impacts the global economy. Kapag mas maraming trabaho, mas gumaganda ang buhay ng mga tao at pati ibang bansa nakikinabang sa trade at investment.
Alam niyo ba na ang ADB ay nagpo-provide ng World Billion Dollar Project sa mga bansang nangangailangan ng tulong sa agrikultura, transportasyon at renewable energy.
Maganda itong project na pinondohan ng ADB, pero siguraduhin tama ang paggamit ng budget.
The benefits of ADB. The first one is mababang interest ng pautang, and the second is pautang para sa education, health at infrastructure. And the last one is pagsuporta para sa green energy at sustainable growth.
The limitation of ADB. Minsan, mahigpit ang mga loan requirements. Second, hindi lahat ng proyekto ay agad na natatapos.
Third, may mga isyong pangkapiligiran at displacement.
Kaya mahalaga ang tulong ng ADB para masulit ang benepisyo nito.
So, let's a quick look at what ADB does and how ADB started. At bakit ito mahalaga? At kung paano ito nakakatulong sa global economy at sa mga pros at cons nito. What do you think about their projects? Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more educational content. Quick. So, that's
Transport.
In 66, the
ADB
what do you think about their projects?